good stuffed animals.
Hey, look so cute.
Hello, dude. Oh, wat opgevallen. Oh, daar kan je ook piepen. The coolest animal in the world. The coolest. Nee, the coolest. Dit is my favorite dier. Ja. Ek glo dit is van. Oh, ek glo dit is van 'n nursery. Ja. It's beautiful. Hulle ruik soos pakkie en appel.
Ja, ek dink dit is die vleis.
Dis die vleis. Ja. Fresh.
Hallo.
Malala is adorable. Ek love hulle so baie.
Ruik soos pakkie en appel. Is jy honger na die reën? Lekker. En eet hulle dit. Ons het worsies, hulle eet enigiets wat dood is.
Oh.
Ja. En die probleem is pakkie en appel, hulle is so geneig dat jy het nie verwag nie, dan lekker jy met stukke partykeer wel van die tongetjie net so die punt van die neus in. Gaan net jou eentjie in. Dis baie kripties.
Ek kyk vir jou. Ek het kyk vir jou Stella. Hy sien jy's 'n lekker easy target. Het jy nog ooit pas?
Stil. Nee. Okay, so dit sal eintlik die eerste wees. So jy kan aan daai kant vir my staan.
Lisa ouma.
So vandag voer ons ja, hartjies en lewe. Meneer,
Gaan jy nou doen?
ja, ek is klaar, so gaan nou begin. Okay, wel binnekort. Ons sal begin. Okay, shop. Shoppies.
Laat in jou baadjie vas.
Ek gaan sommer hier. So,
Seker.
ja, sy. Ek sien maar verseker op.
It's kind of disgusting.
Lisa.
Wat? Ek sal. Wag, wat het jy gesê? Jy moet so gaan met die bloed.
Ja, kyk maar as jy gooi dat jy nou nie mense vol bloed maak met skip.
Maar ek gaan vir jou maak.
Want ek gaan saam met jou laat. So, dit maak nie my sleg.
Okay, die werk kry pak vir jou weg.
Okay, dan ek kom maar begin skreeu. So, dis aandag kry. So if you want, you can move this side as well. There's a female this side that you can also have a look on. Maybe. Nou begin.
Jy net hier.
Ja, net hier.
Mag hulle glad nie saam wees nie.
So ons laat hulle saam partykeer loop, maar when feeding comes, moet jy apart. Want die mannetjies sal uit die wyf nie eet nie.
My mannetjie is mooi. Lekker wat jy sê die dan.
Okay. So weer eens ek hoop almal kan my hoor. So the one on the left, this is our wild dogs, and this is the male on the left, the females on the right hand side. Okay, so this is also known as your painted wolves or painted puppies, and that's because of the colors on this coat, for that matter you can see. So where they came from, they were also kept as pets. The people thought they were special German shepherds. So yeah, and you can also, do you smell it? Okay, so that's like a urine smell, and that's also why they are currently with us, because the owner said, listen, I can't handle the smell. It's in my couches, it's in my house, so there you go. So nou sit ons met hulle. if you go and have a look at these wild dogs in the wild, you'll find between 20 and 30 of them in a pack, but it can go over 50 of them in a pack. Also, when we're going to feed, you'll see they don't really chew their food. So if they hunt in the wild, they are the one that will feed out the stomachs while the antelope is still running away. Okay, also known as your devil dogs because of that method or feeding method they use. So, ek dink kom ons voer bietjie.
Op het pad.
Ja. Soos
Kan ik het open? Lisa, oké. Spat ek agter julle. Julle is fyn. Moet jy container moet kyk.
ja, eerlik,
Oh, mossel.
Lisa,
Wat nog hoor?
So, ja, jy kan maar hele kant op.
Jy nog?
Lekker. So yeah, the reason why they don't chew their food, so you'll see, especially the male, the female is chewing a little bit, but the male just takes the whole piece. So in the wild, if they go and hunt, like I mentioned, they will hunt down those impalas, they will feed on them, and then they go back to where the family is. They lick each other on the cheeks, they bring back all that food, and then they feed as a family. Okay, so if there's pups or there's elder ones, at least all of them will have a full tummy in the end of the day. Also with these ones, you can see the white tail, how active it is. So this is also a way of talking and communicating. If you go and have a look at them while they hunt in the wild, you'll see that white tails is everywhere. Okay, and then the sounds they make, so that's the reason why this male is known as Pavarotti. Okay, Pavarotti the opera singer. And then Amira is the female on the right hand side.
Kan ek die meisie opsoek?
Je kan je zoeken oorgemaakt, je daarom is zo voor.
Oh, die is so cool.
Ek eet uit die blare saam met dit. Lisa, nie soveel geslag nie.
Hulle het gesê ons moet dit opmaak. Ja. Hulle is so cute.
Hulle gaan ook jou vingers afbyt, dis nie naby nie.
Ek dink die res is net
Ja, so that's what we had at the moment. Je kan daar nog stukjes voeren. Okay, so is there any questions you'd like to ask before we move over to the Bat Yet Foxes? Niks nie, nothing. Yes.